Sabi ko, can we do a trend? Tapos sabi lang niya, tapos in-explain kay trend. Tapos sabi niya, sure. Tapos, okay. Okay, full story time naman. So, it was a pick-up coffee event. Yung lunch siya ng The Husk and Pick-up Coffee. And then, nandun si Nadine. Tapos sabi nila, magsaserve si Nadine ng drinks. Pila kayo. So, pumila ako. Tapos sabi ko, you know what? Let's try not to be like any other girl. Sabi ko, what trend can I do na madali lang and it won't ask too much from her? Kasi syempre sis, hindi naman tayo sasapaw sa time ni Miss President. When I went up to her, I said hi. Tapos sabi ko, ay, bibigyan niya na yung drink. Tapos sabi ko, can I ask if we can do a trend? Tapos nag-smile lang siya. So parang, sis, sabi mo muna kung anong trend kasi baka, patamblingin mo ako tapos nag-guess ako. So sabi ko lang, can I just shake your hand while you're holding the drink? Tapos sabi niya, sure. Tapos sabi ko, I'll add the audio later. Kasi alam nga namang, sige wait lang, Miss Nadine, hanapin ko muna yung audio. Kahiya, diba? So, ayun, hinawakan lang niya yung drink. Tapos, hinawakan ko lang yung phone ko. Tapos, shake hands kami. Tapos, I got my drink. Hindi siya yung nag-record nun kasi nakakahiya naman na, hey sis, videohan mo naman ako. Kala mo naman, close kami, diba? So, like, thank you, Miss Nadine. Pero, yes, hindi po siya yung nag-video sa part ko.